Add a splash of color and additional protection to your fluorescent or LED tubes with plastic tube guards from 1000 Bulbs. Often referred to as protective sleeves, tube guards are made from durable Lexan polycarbonate and fit T5, T8, or T12 fluorescent or LED tubes. They easily slide over the length of the tube, protecting the tubes from accidental breakage, dust, and moisture. Protective sleeves are an inexpensive alternative to lighting gels and custom lighting designs. Choose from a wide range of colors, UV filters, and dimming tube guards. When lit, colored tube guards can drastically change the appearance of the light output. Smoke tubes make the light output appear warmer and reduces glare. Dimmable tube guards can dim the light output from 100% down to 30% for reduced glare. UV guards eliminate UV rays and are available in two colors, amber and clear. Amber UV tubes block UV transmittance below 525 nanometers, while clear UV tubes block UV transmittance below 395 nanometers. Use plastic tube guards in a wide range of applications, including art galleries, retail stores, and food service areas. Get these and more lighting accessories by calling 1-800-624-4488 or shopping at 1000bulbs.com. 1000 Bulbs, changing the way the world buys lighting.